Hey guys, welcome back to another episode of Sincerely Legenia. In today's video, I'm going to be taking my leftover dirty cauliflower rice to make cauliflower rice balls. These are really similar to boudin balls, which I'm going to make in another video sometime soon. But what I'm doing now is I've gone in with some clean hands and I am shaping the dirty cauliflower rice into 1.5 inch balls. I am going to keep shaping all of these for the next few seconds. Now I am going to put them in the freezer for 15 to 30 minutes. While our cauliflower rice balls are in the freezer, we are now going to make our delicious crispy coating. We're going to start with 1 cup of almond flour. And we're going to add 1.5 teaspoons of onion powder and garlic powder. Pepper, teaspoon. And we're going to also add 1 teaspoon of paprika. Let's mix that together nice and well. And then we're going to move on to the next step. We're going to add 1, 2, and 3 eggs to our next container. And we're going to season that with a little bit of salt and pepper. And we're going to add 1 tablespoon of milk and mix that together really well. Perfect. Now, once that is all done, we're going to go ahead and get our fryer ready. We're going to set it to 400 degrees. And now it's time to get our rice balls out of the freezer and get ready to coat them. They are nice and firm. We're going to start out with 1 rice ball. We're going to roll it into the wet mixture first, the egg and the milk, and then over into the dry mixture, our almond flour with the nice seasonings. So make sure we coat it really, really well. All right, and there we go. We have a nice, beautifully coated cauliflower rice ball. And so we're going to continue this step until all of our cauliflower rice balls are completely covered. All right, they are all done. Aren't they beautiful? So now what we're going to do is we're going to put half of these in the air fryer and the other half we're going to put in the deep fryer. So let's start with the air fryer first. All right, I'm going to first begin by spraying my air fryer down with some nonstick cooking spray. And then we're going to place our rice balls inside. Once we've got them inside, we're going to spray the top of them down with cooking spray. Then we're going to turn them over. And spray the other side down with cooking spray as well, just a little bit, very lightly. Now we're going to put them into the air fryer for 10 to 15 minutes at 400 degrees. Now let's move on to the next step, and that's deep frying. Let's go. All right, y'all. So we're over here with the deep fryer now. We know that I've been letting it sit at 400 degrees, so it's nice and hot. So what we're going to do is place all of our cauliflower rice balls into the basket there. And I am using peanut oil. That's all I had left. So I'm going to be using peanut oil for these. And in they go. Look at them. I cannot wait to try these. All right, y'all, let's check on the ones that are in the air fryer. Let's pull those out. All right, no, they are not quite ready, so we're going to put them back in and let them finish. They had about 5 more minutes, but I think they're going to need another 5 more minutes. So I'm going to put them back in and set it for another 5 minutes. Now, the ones in the deep fryer, oh my goodness, look at those. Now, those look delicious. And yes, indeed, they are ready. Okay, guys, now it is time to take these bad boys out of the air fryer, and they are so beautiful. Look at that. Look how beautiful and golden they are. Oh, yeah. Pretty. So let's take these on out. I'm going to sit them on this paper towel next to the others that are draining. They don't need to drain, but you know. All right, so you know it's time now to taste. I am so excited. Let's dig in. Okay, so here they are. They're hot, they're fresh. So I'm gonna go on and taste them now before they cool off too much. All right, so let's taste the ones from the air fryer first. One thing I noticed, the ones in the air fryer are a lot more fragile than the ones that were deep fried, okay? So here we go. Mostly, let's see, well, all of them have cracked a little bit there. All of them cracked a little bit, so. Oh yeah, don't you guys see that? Oh, this is so good. And spicy. Oh my goodness, it's very, very, very spicy. And very hot. Yeah. So good. So good and so hot. Now, the ones that were deep fried, they actually all stayed intact very, very well. So this is the deep fried. See that? Okay, let's give this one a taste. It's very hot, so. Not a huge difference in the taste at all. The texture on this one is a little more crispy, which is what I love. More crispy in the deep fried one. Both are extremely good and both are extremely delicious. These are fun. Let's see the inside of them. These are fun to eat. And I mean, these could be a great entree for dinner, and they can also be great appetizers or hors d'oeuvres. Yeah. You guys have got to try these. Yummy.